So we've got the Stihl BG55 on the workbench today. I've had it for probably 12 years. It's worked really well up until recently. Developed a bog yesterday when we were using it. Had plenty of gas. I'm not sure. The spark plug was fine. I replaced it. That made no difference. So we've taken the cover off. Air filter housing. I'm going to take the carburetor off and see if there's something clogged up. I'm going to take the carburetor off and see if there's a screen clogged, as I've seen in other Stihl products. But first we're going to take out the spark arrestor from the muffler. I'm going to show you how I'm going to take out the spark arrestor and show you guys a quick way to clean all the carbon off of it. So I've loosened up the spark arrestor from the muffler and pulled it out. It's not completely plugged, but there's a little bit of carbon buildup. I'm going to show you guys how to take that carbon off there. The best way I've discovered to do this is to run it over a propane torch, and it will literally burn all of that off of there in a hurry. It's melting away. Check it out. No more carbon. So I took the carburetor off the BG55 blower, and I was hoping that this little screen right here that fits down in the recess right here, I was hoping that was maybe plugged, causing my bog issue, but I took it out. It is completely clean, and I've not seen any other problems with the carburetor. But I did go ahead and spray it out with some carbon choke cleaner and some high pressure air. We're going to put the carburetor back on there, and see what happens. So the carburetor's all cleaned and blown out, reassembled. We're going to get this guy back on there. Hopefully it'll work. Okay, I got the carburetor all mounted up and the air cleaner housing fastened on there. The throttle linkage is a little tricky to get on there, but once you get it all in place, drop the throttle lever on there, we can put the top handle on and see if it works. Okay, the moment of truth. We're gonna see if this puppy runs. Like a kitten. So what I expected to find was the screen inside the carburetor plugged up. That was not the case. It was clean. There must have been something beyond that inside the carburetor that was plugging it up. I did take it apart, blow it out with high pressure air and carburetor cleaner. Put it back together, a new spark plug, and it runs like a new one. 12-year-old blower.